Good evening, everyone. My name is Shashank Singhal, and today I'm going to talk about a secret. Yes, my dear friends, a secret which is discovered by all the multimillionaires, all the great politicians, media people, as well as spiritual leaders, NLP trainers, and any life coach. A secret which has changed the life of many people and transformed their life journey. A secret which you and me can learn very quickly, that lies with us, that sleeps with us, irrespective of whether you believe in it or you do not believe in it, it works. That secret is. Before I tell you that secret, let me share with you a story. A story of my own personal experience. So I was in class 9 and I had some serious health traumas. I was a big fat obese and that resulted in many physiological problems, neurological problems as well as some serious psychological problems. I was tense the entire day thinking about how can I lose weight. I did try multiple things, right from exercise in the morning, then to eat some healthy diet, then to actually follow a healthy lifestyle, sleeping on time, waking up on time, everything I tried but failed. So I was wondering, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not able to lose my weight? Then I called one of my friend, a very good friend of mine who is quite inclined towards psychology. So I just asked him, why do you think I'm not able to reduce my weight? So he just looked at me and he said that you're not able to achieve your goal here is because your mind is focusing more on problems rather than solutions. I said, okay, so what do you think is the solution for this? Then he told me that the solution is to practice visualization. The solution is to condition your mind to think, react, and feel in a certain manner. I said, this is sounding interesting, so how can I practice it? So he told me a very simple thing. Shashank, do one thing, make a diet chart and paste it on your wall. Whenever you wake up in the morning, just look at that chart, just visualize. Just visualize you actually emulating that particular chart. Just visualize you eating healthy food, feeling healthy. Just try to talk to your own conscience. I started doing it. I started visualizing me every single morning just by looking myself healthy, just by making my own senses visualize the things which I wanted to do. I started visualizing myself eating healthy food, following healthy lifestyle, becoming healthy, becoming more confident, becoming more optimistic, becoming more successful and attractive in all the possible dimensions. And guess what, my friends? Slowly and gradually, it started working. My habits started changing. The things which were actually very tough for me earlier now became very quick. And this is the secret of how I lost my weight and became fit in my earlier days. So what is the secret? The secret is that you attract what you are. The secret is that whatever you say to your mind start expanding it. And this, many famous psychologists have coined as law of attraction. Yes, my dear friends. So what does this law states and how does this work? So as according to law of attraction, whatever we are is a possibility of some thought, and that thought is created by our own mind. So if our mind can see something, be it with visualization, be it with affirmations, if our mind can start thinking as a solution oriented person, then slowly and gradually our body will manifest it too. For example, if you are just talking to me right now, I'll tell you that you are so bad, you are going to lose everything in life. Then don't you think if you have any failure in the past, your mind will start relating it with? And if your mind will start relating it with your failures, don't you think your probability of committing a failure in the future will also increase as a process? On the other hand, if I just talk to you and I'll tell you that you are special, you're one of that person who's going to make a dent in the world, then don't you think slowly and gradually your mind will start thinking on the positive direction? It will start thinking on the bright side of yours. And if you start thinking on the bright side, don't you think you will be able to generate an idea as well? So our words creates a thought, and our thoughts result into our action, which is manifested by our body. Isn't it, my dear friends? So the idea of law of attraction is very simple. You attract whatever you want, whatever is there in the universe because of your thoughts. Are you getting what I'm saying? So how to practice law of attraction? Now there is a catch. Many people fall into the trap of practicing visualizing success and materialism. Well, I'm completely against that. Now let me tell you a flip side. So I got benefit from law of attraction. I was able to lose weight. I was able to adopt to a healthy lifestyle. So I recommended it to another friend of mine who was preparing for an competitive exam. So what he did, just like me, he made a study plan. He just started visualizing himself, not studying every day, but rather in his dream college. He started visualizing that everyone in the society is respecting him. He has a charm in society. The girl he likes actually start liking her back, liking him back. So he started visualizing materialism, success, outcomes of how people are going to treat me the moment I going to crack this exam. He started actually visualizing himself in his dream college, SRCC. But my dear friends, life is harsh at times. It is cruel. And when you are appearing in a competitive exam, at the end, there is also a law of probability, which is mathematics. And as according to mathematics, only 1% of the people are going to enter SRCC, isn't it? As a law of probability, only 1 or 2 people are going to crack this exam. So now what if 10% of the people are actually practicing law of attraction? So is it really possible that it will work for everybody? The answer is no, because that is against the law of probability, the law of mathematics, isn't it? So my dear friends, success in the outside world, in the materialistic world, depends upon thousands of factors which takes place in the universe. But my dear friends, if you just start visualizing yourself doing it, your focus will increase, your motivation will increase, your action will become better. So do not visualize yourself achieving that success, rather visualize yourself following the process. If you see my example, I did not visualize that I have 6 packs and girls are just a fan of me. No, I did not visualize that. I never do that. Rather, I visualize myself becoming more and more confident. I visualize myself getting better, becoming better day by day. I visualize the process, because the moment you visualize the process, your mind will start actually thinking about the process and make you better person, a better human being. So this is my understanding of law of attraction. I think it should be used. Law of attraction should be used to actually strengthen your karma, to strengthen your being. That's all from my side. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. Hope I was able to add some values to you. Thank you.